Hi, I'm Chuck Gremillion, and I want to talk with you about the Construction Career Collaborative, or C3. One of the things I've learned in my 4 years as Executive Director of C3 is that the commercial construction industry is challenged by the very complex issue of having an unsustainable craft workforce. C3 is How is a description of its strategy to solve this problem.
C3 is a 501c3 not-for-profit organization made up of
Owners, contractors, specialty contractors, design professionals, and industry associations.
C3's purpose is to create a safe, skilled, sustainable craft workforce. We want to do so in a collaborative fashion. I think it's important to note that in addition to all those described earlier, we also have union shops and merit shops represented on our board of directors. This illustrates further that C3 truly represents the industry as a whole as we work together to solve this problem. In the big picture, C3 represents a better, more successful commercial construction industry that benefits all parties that participate in it. C3 is creating a business solution to workforce issues. C3 is how we create a sustainable craft workforce. C3 is how we solve the workforce shortage. C3 is how we improve construction quality. As I mentioned earlier, C3 is how. C3 is how we attract talent to the craft workforce. And we attract talent by advocating for the financial security, health, and well-being of the craft worker. In other words, treat the craft worker as an employee, a valued asset, by changing the negative perception of the construction industry as dirty, dangerous, and a dead-end career, by reaching people who are potential candidates for the craft trades in the industry, by competing for new talent with other industries. C3 is how we attract people to careers in the craft trades of the industry. C3 is how we reduce workforce turnover. C3 is how we link training to career paths. C3 mentors companies that want to launch or improve their craft training program. C3 is how we create a defined career path. C3 is how we create careers, not jobs. C3 is how we remove the stigma of the 1099 pay-by-the-piece job. C3 is how we create a pathway to quality of life and achievement of the American dream for the craft worker. C3 is how we remove the limits on the potential of the craft profession.
C3 is how we improve job site safety. With OSHA 10 and OSHA 30 safety credentials for craft workers and field supervisors, respectively. With C3 safety refresher training, using our 12 monthly safety modules that are delivered on job sites as toolbox talks and as supplemental safety training within many construction companies. C3 is how construction can be safe and clean. Did you know that the aggregate recordable incident rate of C3 projects is nearly 5 times lower than that of the construction industry nationally? And that the aggregate lost time rate for C3 projects to date is more than 60 times lower than that of the industry as a whole nationally. C3 is how we reduce building life cycle costs. C3 is how we improve the ROI on the building for its owner. It's how we lower warranty costs. C3 is how we reduce the total cost of ownership of the building. It's how we produce better systems, better quality, less rework, and shorter punch lists. C3 is how
our future is why. The time to act is now. For more information, please contact Chuck Gremillion at 713-999-1218 or by email at chuck@constructioncareercollaborative.org. C3 is how.